we're going to demonstrate how to get into the Lindbergh cloud and what its purpose is. So what we want to do is just go under, say, Staff, and go to Lindbergh Cloud. It's going to prompt you for a username and login. This is the same thing you use to log into your computer, say, every time you boot it up. Once you get logged in, your main screen is going to look slightly different than mine. These should be the things that I've opened most recently. It will give you a little pop-up here about what the screen means. Say select workspace, open other apps, tutorials. And if you don't want to see it again, you can just click this, don't show again, and it won't. If you're not sure if you want to delete it now or not, you can just click and it will deactivate that overlay on the screen. So what we want to do is take a look at a few things. Because we're at home, here's the things that I've opened recently. I want to go under applications. This is where we're going to find a couple of things that you're going to need daily or weekly. One thing is the employee portal. If I click that, it'll take a few seconds to launch. This is a separate user ID and password. This should have been a piece of paper in your welcome packet. So when I log into the employee portal, I'm going to be able to find things such as my pay, a W-2, and other financial information. To get out of the SysFin or the employee portal, I'm going to go up to the upper right and click this X and return back to my applications. Another thing you're going to need at some point is Moodle. If I click that, it'll take a few seconds and launch. So we're logged into our Lindbergh Moodle. This is where you're going to go for your mandatory PD, bloodborne pathogens, and other videos and things that you're going to have to do at some point during the first month of employment. You'll find out more about that in your buildings. I'm going to go click the little X here. Other things that we're going to find: elementary, you're going to find, say, units of study or words their way. These are things that you're going to need in the day-to-day classroom. Here's a textbook. Here's another textbook. Depending on what you teach, there's going to be some different things that will be added to your applications section. Now I'm ready to go and log out. Now that I've experimented a little bit with the cloud, I can click this icon here and it will log me out and get me back to this screen. So all we're doing here is just demonstrating a couple of things that are in the Lindbergh cloud that you're going to need to know potentially on day one. There are many more things here for you to explore, so feel free to click around and see what you can see.